Have you ever tried to make your text stand out in a Flutter app, only to find that it looks flat and lifeless? It can be frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore how to add a shadow to your text in Flutter. I totally get it. You might have searched through the text style options, only to come up empty-handed when looking for a shadow feature. You're not alone in this. Many developers face the same challenge when trying to enhance their text. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "How can I add shadow to the text in Flutter?" They were looking for a way to make their text pop and stand out visually. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together and find a solution. So, why can't you find a shadow option in text style? Flutter doesn't provide a direct shadow property for text. Instead, we can achieve this effect using the shadow class within the text style. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to customize your shadows for even more stunning effects. To add a shadow to text in Flutter, the user should utilize the shadow class within the text style. This allows for customization of the shadow's color, offset, and blur radius. Next, the user should create a text widget and apply the text style with the shadow settings. This will ensure the shadow appears behind the text. Additionally, the user can customize the shadow further by adjusting the offset and blur radius to achieve the desired visual effect. Finally, the user should run the Flutter application to see the text with the shadow effect rendered on the screen. This will provide a clear visual enhancement. Here's a code snippet to illustrate this. You would write it like this: new text, hello Flutter, style, new text style, shallow colors, black, offset 2.0, blur radius 5.0. Fun fact, did you know that shadows can add depth to your UI, making it feel more interactive? Just like how a shadow can make an object look three-dimensional, it can do the same for your text. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to adding shadow to text in Flutter is to create a custom widget called Shadow Text. This widget uses a stack to overlay two text widgets. The first text widget displays the shadow with a darker color and slight opacity, while the second displays the actual text. You can customize properties like text alignment and maximum lines. To use this shadow text widget, simply import the file and replace your text widget with shadow text. This allows you to easily add shadows to your text while maintaining control over its appearance. Here's that quick tip I promised. Experiment with different colors and offsets for your shadows. This can really enhance the visual appeal of your text and make your app stand out. And there you have it. You now know how to add shadows to your text in Flutter. Remember, a little creativity can go a long way. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and keep experimenting with your designs.